Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today we are going to unbox a hard drive. It's a WD My Passport 2TB hard drive. Let's go and unbox it. This is the hard drive. This is WD 2TB hard drive. You can see in the front there is their logo, and the 2TB is there and My Passport. And here in this side you can see some of their features. The features are WD security, WD backups, and 3-year limited warranty. At the back side they have given some instructions. They have included the software for how to use and how to control the hard drive. The features are portable hard drive, super speed USB cable, and WD discovery software for WD backup, and WD security and WD drive utilities are available on the internet. In the later video we'll download and install those things, and let's check it. And in the box they have included a quick install guide. The compatibility are Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7. And if you want to use for Mac OS, you can format the drive for NTFS format method, and you can use for Mac OS. And the other things are you can encrypt the hard drive using 256-bit AES encryption method. This will be very useful for backups and storing your large files. Why did I buy this? Because my laptop is almost full. You can see all my drives are full in red color. One is about only 22 GB free, and the other one is 400 something, and another one is some couple of hundreds. Everything is full. File sizes are large. The space is running out quickly, so I want to backup something. So I bought this WD 2TB hard drive after so many researchers, after some YouTube recommendations and Google recommendations. I will put the links in the description. You can check it out. Let's unbox it. As soon as you open the box by picking that sticker, you can see that the hard drive is in a pack with the plastic pack. It's secured very nicely, and after removing the upper part of the package, you can get your hard drive on your hands, and it feels plastic to made, and it has a glossy finish. And at the back there are some features of it, and there is a USB-B type to connect to your laptop or other devices, and is a user guide to use how to use and do other stuff. And they have given you the cable to connect to your devices. By plugging it to the USB A type, and the other end to hard drive, that's USB B type. It transfers in USB 3.1 speed. You can plug the other end to your other devices, or you can connect to your mobile. And guys, let's plug to my laptop, and let's set up this WD softwares, and let's check the speed using Userbenchmark software by downloading it. And if you want to know what's my laptop, you can see in the card here, or I will link down in the description, or otherwise you can see it. Go to my website anfasahamed.com and go to gears. You can check out my YouTube gears. As soon as you plug to the PC, you will see the hard drive, and you can install the WD by installing the given software. They have given two versions for Mac and PC. After that, it will load asking some, and you can follow it. And then it will download and go. Then after that, you will load the application, and it will guide to how to use it. And after that, we will install other apps that are available for WD My Passport hard drive by going to their website. Go to your web browser and type WD My Passport, and first of all, there will be a link for My Passport WD Western Digital, and you can use that website to check out about some features and specifications and about the hard drive by going to their website, WD's official website. I have a black color one, the same one but you see the website, and it's 2TB, and they have given the price $67.99, and after you scroll, you can see the features, product details, and they have given extra images. You can slide and see the hard drive. It's very slim and it's very easy to use. And if you scroll some more, you can see the full specification, product number, warranty and disclosures. All the length and the other dimensions are given, and what are included in the box. The capacity, interface, the compatibility are given under full specifications. And if you go to warranty, they have given the limited warranty, and they have given two disclosures. Now we will search for WD drivers, other two applications, by going to your web browser and typing WD My Passport utilities. Then you will load up as the first link software and firm downloads WD. After that, they will show first of all, it will load the website, and you can see the WD drive utilities for Windows. We will save it now, and we will download the WD securities for Windows also. Then we can encrypt using passwords our hard drive. Later in the video, I will show how to put the passwords and how to remove the password. Now we will install the two utility softwares. We should accept the agreements and install. It will load up, and it is finished installing the WD drive utilities. Now we will install the WD securities software. It's finished installing. Now we will try to put a password, and we will check whether how it works by clicking the three dots in the side. You can set password. After that, enter your password and verify password and a password hint. I will just type a password. After that, click on set password. Now the hard drive is protected by encrypting password. Now we will remove the hard drive and plug it again whether the encryption is working. Encryption is successful, and our password can be done. To unlock, you should open the WD application. And now we will remove the password. Now the password is removed. Now you can see that the WD software is asking for the password. Now we will type the password and we will go in. You can see the hard drive unlocks and the two softwares are there. Again, we will edit the password now by clicking edit password and change password. You can type your old password, then you can change. Now I will remove the password. To remove the password, you need the password. I'll type the password and remove password, and now you can see that the hard drive is. Now we will remove the hard drive and eject it and plug it again. Now you can see that the hard drive is unlocked. Now we will load up Userbenchmark to test the hard drive. You can see that the hard drives read speed is about almost 130s. And the write speeds are almost 125 speeds. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll see you in my next video next week. Thank you. Bye.